Well, greetings, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to Tugger and welcome to everybody from town in beautiful Tugboat's food.
Nothing to fear, and we're glad you're here.
Absolutely. Locally grown, organically made. We'll have some original music and some favorite covers for you. Starting things out as a little satire about the ski town and the blues that come around in ski town. So here we go. Now look at me, I'm standing on the hill. Freed my mind, yes I freed my heel. Yeah, and I think I'm tough. I know I'm smart because I bought me a set of telemarks. Now I'm a teleguy, I drink microbrew, and I wear alternates, and I eat organic food, and I max out my credit card, buy all the gear, and my snowboarding buddies all call me queer, but I won't bother to snowboard or alpine ski never again, cause I think I'm fast, I think I'm slick, but too bad most people ever think I'm a dick. But I'll sing these blues cause I don't care what you write. Drop the attitude and all that foolish pride. We're all snow riders, none of us get a name tag. Let's leave the politicians get beat like douchebags. I think I'm fast, I think I'm slick, but too bad most people ever think I'm a dick. But why can't we all just ride? Why can't we be slow boys? Why can't we all just ride? Why can't we all just ride?